Hey guys, Redneck Garage. I wanted to show you guys this because it's nice weather. I made this last year. This is a shower, a portable shower I'm going to show you. But I made this generator. You guys, most of you have already seen it on the channel. I use a Chevy 350 alternator. Actually, I'm sorry, it's off of a 305. I have a video on how to wire that, which is super duper easy. And I actually use the original battery out of my Z-Force because I upgraded the battery. It's brand new. But that's what I've put on this thing. And you don't even have to fire it up to run this shower, but we fire it up to use the power inverter and all that. And it does awesome. I can run a 5,000 watt power inverter off of this with the alternator running without even touching the battery. It's awesome. I had that alternator rebuilt to 250 amps, I believe. It's been a couple years, but anyway, we have a portable shower house. It comes with a portable bag of water. You put 5 gallons in it and you set it out in the sun. The bag is black and it heats up and it works, but I said screw that, and I got what I use is a washer bottle pump out of a GM car. Any GM pump will do. And I submersed it in here in this bucket, siliconed it over. It's down in there. Haven't had a problem with it yet. Runs on 12 volt. And I'm just using rubber, just some cheap rubber hose and a cheap shower head. I'm going to show you this, guys. This is awesome because we go to a lot of riding parks where they have nothing besides porta johns, and we like our showers every night after we ride. We like washing our hands, and this thing does great. We hang this in our portable shower house, and I got a switch here. You just turn it on. I'm going to show you guys. Watch this, guys. And you set this thing out in the sun. We fill these jugs up a week in advance and I set them out on my trailer. And by the time the weekend comes, they're perfect temperature to take a shower. They're not hot by any means, but they're like perfect temperature. It actually feels good at the end of the day. Watch this. A washer bottle pump, guys. A washer bottle pump. And it's adjustable. Check this out. It does pretty good. I like this setting here. And believe it or not, that actually lasts a good while. There's not a ton of pressure, but you can see it's try and get you. There we go. So you can see that. But yeah, guys, figured I'd show you this, and it's just got a little toggle switch right here. Turn it off. And battery clip, so you can clip it on your vehicle battery. You can clip it on your ATV battery, whatever you want. It don't hardly use any battery power. As a matter of fact, I've used that thing for a whole weekend just for this and charging cell phones, and never had to start it. The battery voltage never dropped below 12.7 volts, 12.6 volts, which is pretty, it's, let's see, 12.6. That's like 50% battery left somewhere in there. So you could run it, but I hate to run it just for a shower. So guys, if you want to do this is super simple, super easy. Some cheap wire, not super cheap, but cheap enough. And then this is actually a breather cap that was on this, and I just poked it all down through there, filled it with silicone. We've had it for a season and no issues, guys. Let's see. If you needed to, you could probably hose off your ATV radiator with that back at camp. We just use it for showering. So, all right, guys, hit the thumbs up, I hope you liked it, and it's a good idea for those of you that like showers but also not afraid to go camping. Just about every park we go to, there's no electricity, there's no running water. Renegade Ridge is that way, so if you, a lot of people take their campers, we take a tent, man. I'd love to have another camper, but we take a tent and take our shower, and we take our porta-john. So, all right, later guys, thumbs up.